It's just our torque adapters. This is not the full set. These are the ones I normally use. Keep the rest of them in the toolbox. But this set came with 5/16 up to 7/8. You can get these in metric or standard. I hardly ever do metric stuff. So what you have to do here when you're using these, a lot of people make this mistake. When you're torquing them, you need to set the torque wrench, the torque adapter at a 90-degree angle. If you don't, say you set it out like that there. If you try and do it like that, that's torque multiplier. Your torque's going to be off for whatever you're trying to torque. So always 90 degrees there. It's easy to get to. Other stuff, it's just a neat tool to have. Sometimes you can't reach stuff quite right, and they'll do it.